Track maintenance visits with WEX FSM's Comprehensive Maintenance Plan Appointment Scheduling Report. Navigate to Reporting, Original, and select Maintenance Plan Appointment Scheduling. This report will show all service visits in your system. You can use filters to narrow down the visits that you're looking for. Filter by maintenance plan type and status, along with the service windows. The service windows allows you to filter for past, current, and future windows. You can filter by appointment status, along with filtering for specific customers, address information, zip code, and more. Let's walk through an example. I need to use my report to find all customers with visits that are due this month that have not been scheduled yet. I'll filter my service window to current. This means that the window falls in the current month. So, since I'm pulling the report in December, this will pull any service windows that include the month of December. I'll filter the appointment status to unscheduled, and now I have my list. You can select specific customers to notify or select all to send notifications in bulk. I'll select all, click Review, then click Send Notifications. This will send maintenance visit reminders to my customers so they can contact the office to finalize the official date and time of their visit. This report also keeps track of each time the customer has been notified. Keep in mind that you can come back to this report and send as many notifications as needed.